Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Witty. Today we're diving into the present continuous tense, also called the present progressive. We use it to talk about actions that are happening right now, things that are temporary, and even plans for the near future. Let's break it down step by step. So, how do we form the present continuous? It's simple. The present continuous is formed using the present tense of the verb be, that's am, is, or are, followed by the base verb, with ing. Let's see how that works with different subjects. I am talking. You are learning. He is eating. She is writing. It is raining. We are studying. They are running. The key here is choosing the right form of be and adding ing to the verb. We use the present continuous in 4 main situations. First, for actions happening right now. She is watching a video. I am speaking English. Second, for temporary actions or situations that may not be happening this very moment, but are ongoing. He is living in London this month. I'm reading a great book these days. Third, to talk about planned future events, especially when arrangements are already made. I'm meeting my friend at 6. We're flying to Paris next week. And fourth, to express annoying habits, often with the word always. He's always interrupting me. You're always leaving your shoes everywhere. This use shows irritation or frustration, so be careful with your tone. Now let's look at how to spell the ing form correctly. This part is simple once you know the rules. First, for most verbs, just add ing. Play becomes playing. Work becomes working. Second, if a verb ends in the letter E, drop the E and then add ing. Make becomes making. Write becomes writing. Third, if a verb is short and ends in a consonant-vowel-consonant pattern, double the last consonant before adding ing. Run becomes running. Sit becomes sitting. Just remember, if it's a short verb with 1 syllable, like swim or hop, check if it ends in that consonant-vowel-consonant pattern. If it does, double the last letter. These small spelling changes help the words look and sound right in English. Let's make it negative. Just add not after am, is, or are. I'm not working. He's not listening. They're not coming. And to ask a question, switch the order. Are you watching TV? Is she cooking? What are they doing? In English, we often use short answers instead of repeating the whole sentence. They're quick, natural, and polite. For example, are you hungry? Yes, I am. Is he coming? No, he isn't. Just remember to match the subject and the correct form of be. It's a simple way to sound more fluent in everyday conversations. Now it's time to practice. Complete these sentences using the present continuous tense. Try to say the answers out loud or write them down. I'll give you the correct answers in a moment. Ready to see how you did? Let's check the answers. I am reading a book right now. She is cooking dinner at the moment. They are not watching TV. We are studying for our test. What are you doing? It is raining outside. He is always forgetting his keys. My friends are traveling to Italy this week. Great job today! You've just learned how to use the present continuous tense. Let's quickly review. We use this tense to talk about actions happening right now, temporary situations, future plans, and sometimes even annoying habits. Try to notice it in everyday conversations or while watching English shows, and don't be afraid to use it yourself. Even simple sentences like, "I'm learning English," or "It's raining" are great practice. Keep practicing, and remember, the more you use English, the more confident you'll become. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.